Hello Internet, welcome to Off the Couch. Got to keep remembering what channel this is. So today I thought I would take you guys for a bit of a spin around my hometown, Wangaparoa, Hibiscus Coast. Now I'm vlogging in public and I'm very well known around here because I've been living up here for 26 years. I work in all the supermarkets and all that type of thing. So it would be fair to say I'm quite nervous about being spotted vlogging. So I'll spin you guys around, and this is a town I know a lot about, obviously. I live 5 minutes down the road. You'll never know where though. And as we walk around, I'll show you guys the sights of Wangaparoa and Hibiscus Coast. So let's spin you around, eh? Right, so over there, straight ahead across the road, down around behind those trees, you've got Wangaparoa College. That is one of three colleges on the coast. You've got Wentworth, Wangaparoa College, and further down, I guess it's technically off the coast, but still technically on it, is Aurora College. Morning, how you doing? So that road there, that's Stanmore Bay Road. So that heads towards Stanmore Bay sort of area, around to the beach and that sort of thing. Right, so if I spin you guys around here, it's your local sort of plaza area here. It goes all the way up into there. That building there where it says Ignite, right there, that's my church. So in case you're wondering, it's the 13th of August. Sorry, 11th of August. It is 9:54 in the morning. It's winter time. Unsure of the temperature. I think it's around 12 to 13 degrees. Oh, look at that. Unleaded 91 has finally cracked over $3 a litre. Robbers, absolute robbers. Guess we've got to pay the fat cat's fuel bill for their launch somehow, right? So here's the back end of the plaza here. So that's my church up there. Ignite facing into the whole side of that building. We're having repairs done at the moment on the veranda right there so that the kids can use it, and it's a lot safer for them. Awesome little church, man. Amazing little church. Over there you've got the movie theatre, picture theatre, whatever you want to call it. Hoyts. And straight ahead there, those houses that are white and brown, they're the newer builds that have come up. Jet's 24-hour gym if you want to stay buff. It's not actually too bad up here. The one thing I've noticed in 26 years I've been up here is there has been so much growth. I was 22 when I moved up here. I'm now 48, 21. So in that time, you know, I've seen quite a bit of growth, lots of growth. So There's over 40,000 odd people living up here. Yeah, there's a lot of people up here, a lot of growth, everything you need, lots of businesses. Lots happening. So you get everything, Health Collective, whatever that is. Midwives, fibre, some architectural place. Lots of businesses I've never heard of. These are all apartments, so if you're lucky you can have a business down the bottom and an apartment up the top. But these all look like they're just apartments. And then over there. So those type of apartments are called stackers. So you might have, say, 3 levels. One level will be the bedroom. The next level will be the kitchen, bathroom, lounge area. And the level under that would be where you park your vehicle. Normally it's a single vehicle park. So that's how they cram so much in, as they just go high. What news company do I work for? Mate, I'd never work for the news. No. Media are all liars. No, I'm just doing a little vlog type thing. I actually run a walking channel.
Oh, okay.
And I go all over the place, not just on the coast here. And so I've just decided to stick to around my area today and just do a quick flat round the shopping centre. And
That's a recording as a film.
it's not a film. It's this is a vlog. I also do silent ones as well. I've got a GoPro and stuff, and I do a driving channel as well. So,
No, I've never seen anything quite like that.
yeah. It's different.
You got to have a steady hand, mate.
Oh, for sure. Every movement on the gimbal here transfers through to the microphone. So every time you move it, it just. Well, you have a good day.
Yeah, well, you did the same.
Bye. So I'll just step across the road here and I'll show you guys the view. Alright, so you can imagine living in these houses here, and you've got this view here. So that beach there is Arkell's Beach. One of my favourite beaches. That was funny, that guy before. What media agency do I work for? Never, ever would I do that. So you guys might have spotted I don't have a very high opinion of the media, especially since 2020. We all know that that was real, right? Sorry, I didn't mean to choke then. So this is the front end of the plaza entrance just there. There's your mall. That Mitre 10 building there, the big orange thing. That used to be the warehouse. So the warehouse is, well, it's like, you might have heard of Target, something like that. But they moved another 10 minutes drive away, which is real pain. So if you need to go to the warehouse, you got to go all the way to Silverdale. There's about a 15-minute drive from my house. So you got everything in there. You got Chipmunks Playground and Cafe. You got well, your warehouse, your garden centre, your chemist, your hairdressers, everything. Look at that view, eh? Look at that. That there is Rangitoto Island. So to get there, you've got to take a ferry. Obviously. But you can walk to the top and that sort of thing, and you can see it quite clearly from Takapuna Beach. The beach is more so on the coast. I've always wondered who lives in this house just here, because you've got exquisite views. I mean, look at that. How awesome. Imagine waking up to that view every morning. Okay guys, check out the description for the link to my driving channel. That's a little blat around the main township area of Wongaparoa. It's way bigger than that. That was just a shopping centre I walked around. Couldn't really walk through it, so you can get done for being on private property if you're filming and that sort of stuff. So it was better to just play it safe. Yeah, if you recently subscribed, welcome, thanks very much. If you've watched the video this far, why not subscribe? Well, I gave you this, give me something back. Right guys, thanks very much. And I'll see you soon.